Hey, get off the three, J-Ball. I appreciate you, bro. C, you got to be aggressive. Don't wait. There you go, Minnie. Yeah! Yeah! Hey, right now, right now! Oh my. He doesn't want the ball. He's shooting. Don't wait. Don't stand around.
The basketball. Watch your back. Back, find one.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
Don't let him shoot.
Hand up.
Good call. Good call. Hey, I see you, machine. Yes, sir. Hey, keep shooting, Jimmy. They're not giving you shit, but hey, keep shooting. Hey, set the pick up top, see? Yes, sir. There you. Get back. Get on it. Hey, we gotta take advantage while they missing. Don't. Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Give it to CJ. Nah, not right now. Nah, I didn't mean it.
There you go. Yup.
Hey.
I'll take it, C. I'll take it, C.
I like that, though. Where did he get down?
Hey, he's looking to pass it. Yeah, bro. Come on, man. Hey, we're looking good, gents. Hey, yep, keep moving. Yup. Hey.
Hey,
Yeah.
dunk it next time, CJ.
Hey, get back. Good take, C.
Hey, CJ, you dunk it.
Yeah. Hey, get on it. Hey, what's up? Yeah. What's up, machine?
What are y'all doing?
Hey, J-Ball. It's still a close game, bro. Yeah, come on. Oh, wait.
You're a good sport, machine.
Hey, you guys got till 13. We're going to have 3 rotations. 2, and then 5 minutes we close out. So look, 2 minutes. Get ready. Move. Keep them in order on the court, please. And stop dribbling in the crowd, bro. You're drawing 3-4 before you even get there. They're waiting for you to get to the middle and spin. And then they double.
Now, what happened was I did lose really up to when I went to go pass, I went to so then it made it look like
4. Yeah. When you guys get in, you know what's your job. I want you two to play together. And then Mook is going to dictate. Hey, slow it down. He's pulling.
Hey, good close out.
Hey, Minnie, you're supposed to be. Hey, Minnie, you're supposed to be bringing the ball up. No. Yeah, my bad. Hey, my bad, Minnie. Hey, what's up, Jimmy? See the ball go in the hole. Hey, you good? Hey, Nipsey, force him left. They don't got, yeah, but he's quick. He quick, yeah. Force him left.
Hey, you're tall.
Yes!
What's up, machine? Hey, force him left. Why are you on his other hand? Oh my gosh, y'all killing me, bro. He taking y'all straight to the buck with one hand.
I can't focus. I'm ADHD. I can't do this.
That's a baby machine. Oh my God, that's Kobe. That's Kobe.
Force him left. Stop going for his left. Thank you. Yeah, but I'm saying, how many times I gotta repeat it? Motherfuckers is slow, bro. You gotta spoon feed them shit.
Travel.
Hey, J-Ball, they need you. Yeah. Pick one. Pick one. Hey, good job. Hey, it should be two. Mini. Come on, Mini. What I'm saying is,